Thengia ya unyihu wa irathi, thukuru nyingi cia JSS cia muingi ikoretwo ikigayana laboratories na thukuru cia secondary iria cikuhiriirie, na kuria gutari miako ino arutwo matikoretwo magithoma mathomo ma science uria kwagiriire. Kuhitukira ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa indo cia mahuthiro ma mathomo ma science, riu thirikari yugite o thukuru wa JSS ni ukwamukira laboratory ya ihinda niguo gukinyiriria mathomo ma arutwo a grade ya kenda mwaka ukite.
Generally, construction of a wall, four-walled laboratory and equipping it is quite some good money, and what we're providing is a step-gap measure, a kit which is more affordable. So we may be providing a science kit at 70,000 Kenya shillings, where a teacher can use the same to teach instead of putting up a laboratory. It takes long to put up a laboratory. First you do the construction of the wall, then you equip the necessary requirements. So for the kids it's going to be more affordable.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru Dagitari Joel Mabonga, laboratories icirihuthikaga ni arutwo a grade ya 7, 8 na 9. Akiuga arutani ne bakamukira mwerekera wa mahuthiro ma indo ngurani iria thukuru ikamukira mwaka ukite.
With this engagement, we are not going to lose anything in terms of preparing that teacher. That the teacher will be able to face the classroom and teach with the support of the kids. So instead of us waiting for that long and to get money that we're going to put up the wall, what STEP is saying is that we are providing a kit that can be able to be used for the same purpose in the meantime by the teachers.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa mitaratara ya mathomo KICD Charles Ongondo, ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria arutwo aingi kugia na kanya ga kugacirithia mathomo mao ma science.
We are going to have 2 kits primary, 2 main kits. Those are kits for grade 4, 5 and 6. That's one. Then we have another kit for grade 7, 8 and 9 for junior school.
Kits should stimulate interest of the learners. They should enhance experiential activities, practicality. They should be made in such a way that promote learner-centered pedagogy, and that they should also demonstrate values, especially the value of care for the kids, from the environment and the other learners that will use this.
Thirikari oho ni tanyitwo gukorwo ikirikiriria waki wa irathi 16,000 cia arutwo a grade ya 9 na oho kwandika wira arutani 46,000 aria matanyitwo guthomithia thukuru-ini cia JSS. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.